Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a trip way back in time to explore one of America's smallest and most interesting post-war trucks, the 1947 Crosley Pickup. It's a compact, quirky, and charming little vehicle that proved you don't always need a full-size truck to get the job done. Let's dive right into what made this miniature pickup such a standout of its time. The Crosley Pickup first appeared right after World War II, built by the Crosley Corporation, the same company known for making affordable radios and compact cars. The idea was simple: give Americans a light-duty pickup that was cheap to buy, easy to maintain, and efficient to run, all while still being practical enough for small business owners and farmers. Now let's take a closer look at the exterior. The 1947 Crosley Pickup has a very distinctive look: small, boxy, and almost toy-like in size, but with a tough personality. The front end features a narrow grille with horizontal slats, simple round headlights, and a flat hood design. The body lines are clean and functional, and the compact size meant it could easily fit into tight spaces, something rare for a truck in the late 1940s. The truck sat on a wheelbase of just about 80 inches, and it weighed less than 1,200 pounds, making it one of the lightest pickups ever produced in America. The bed at the back might be small, but it could carry a surprising amount of weight for its size, around half a ton. It was built for practicality, not luxury, but its unique proportions made it a real head-turner even back then. Interior. Moving to the interior, simplicity is the name of the game. The cabin is bare bones, with only the essentials: 2 seats, a basic dash layout, and minimal instrumentation. You get a speedometer, a few switches, and that's about it. No frills, no fancy trim, just pure function. The Crosley Pickup was designed for people who needed something cheap, durable, and dependable for everyday hauling. Even though the interior was basic, the upright windshield and thin pillars gave great visibility, and because of its tiny footprint, drivers could maneuver it easily through city streets or farm paths. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the Crosley Pickup used a tiny 724cc, 4-cylinder engine known as the COBRA, short for copper brazed. It produced around 26 horsepower, which might not sound like much, but remember, this truck was incredibly lightweight. That engine gave it a top speed of about 50 miles per hour, which was enough for small deliveries and light-duty work. The Crosley used a 3-speed manual transmission that sent power to the rear wheels. It wasn't built for speed or heavy towing, but it was efficient, averaging more than 30 miles per gallon, which was impressive for any vehicle in the late 1940s. Drivers often praised it for being surprisingly nimble and easy to handle. Maintenance was simple too, and replacement parts were inexpensive, making it a perfect fit for small business owners on a budget. Now for the conclusion. The 1947 Crosley Pickup may not have been the biggest, fastest, or most powerful truck of its time, but it represented something special: ingenuity, practicality, and post-war optimism. It showed that American carmakers could think small and still create something useful and memorable. Today, these little pickups are collectors' favorites. Their rarity, charm, and historical importance make them a standout piece of automotive history. Seeing one on the road today feels like spotting a piece of Americana that time forgot. So, if you ever get the chance to see or even drive a Crosley Pickup, take a moment to appreciate this tiny but mighty symbol of 1940s innovation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more classic car stories from automotive history.